Hello, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we are going to talk about OEB. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about OEB limitations. So let's get started. Although OEB holds a great deal of promise for the profession, there are potential limitations we should consider. As with any analysis, the outcome of the NIOSH OEB process depends upon the quantity. The quantity of the data used and the individual who doing the process. In order to maximize data quality, NIOSH complete a recommended NIOSH-source, which can provide data that can be used for banding. Furthermore, for some chemicals, the amount of qualitative data is not sufficient to derive an OEB. It is important to note that the lacking of data does not mean the chemical is safe. If you are interested in our content, you can subscribe our channel. You can like, share and comment on our video, and you can also share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.